Hello and welcome back. So what we have now is the whole National 183. I took off the cover, right, the shell, and I went ahead and cleaned a little bit, sprayed it down with some cleaner, and it looked like it cleaned up pretty well. It looked like it cleaned up very well. I like it so far. So let's pay attention to what's going on here. So the first thing that caught my eye is the dial. You can see there's a crack right there. I think I can fix that. It's not a big deal. Everything looks okay. It's just dirty. Some of these switches are going to have to be replaced. They're just very badly oxidized. So far, so good. I like the way that thing looks. It's heavy. But so far, the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take out all these tubes, give it a good polish, just do the superficial cleaning on the outside first before I tackle the capacitor replacement. I'm afraid if I turn this over, rest it on its side, on its back, I might damage these little band indicators, so I might have to take that off. But take a look. I cleaned it up. It looks nice. It looks like it's ready to be put into service. You can see there's some rust on that capacitor. So I'm going to try to make it I'm going to clean it up a little bit more before I continue. Clean the outside. Like I said, make some sort of jig where I can just flip it over without having to worry about damaging these band indicators, or just take them off. I think they should be easy to take off. I think I see some lock screw right there. Just have to remember what position they're fully closed and then just take them off. So here you go. The National 183 with the octo tubes. Looked a lot cleaner than it did before. So I'm gonna clean it up and I will get back with you in a bit. And let me flip this over. Let me try to see if I can remove those dials. Like I said, I don't want to break them. Let me go ahead and remove these dials and then flip it over and show you what's underneath. Okay, hold tight. Okay, now that I took off the band indicators, the little wheels, just want to quickly show you again the gears and how the movement works. So I took off the tubes. Looks pretty neat. I can't believe this. 1942. I'm sorry, 1947. Look at that. It looks like somebody's been in here before, because some of these screws are very worn out. Like this screw, it doesn't look like it's worn out from the factory. It's like somebody replaced that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to clean it up a little bit more and start working on replacing the capacitors. Make sure the power transformer, there's power, and make sure it works. Let me flip it over real quick. And this is what we have underneath. Get some light in there. So I have my work cut out for myself. There's a lot of work going on in there. A lot of stuff needs to come out. So yeah, these are all the tubes that I have that I pulled out. Look at that. So far, so good. Like I said, it does need a little bit of polishing up there. And let me put this down so I can look at the transformer real quick. So you can see that little gap right there. I'm gonna see if I can try to put a plate on there, make this look a lot cleaner, a lot neater. Take out the transformer, put a nice plate, and since I'm there, go ahead and polish these off and take these off and clean these off too as well. Get it really nice and shiny. So here we are. This is beautifully made, very well made. Beautiful, beautiful machine. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. I got some work to do. Talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.